Okay, so what we got here is the BMW M240i 2023, and what we've done is we've installed the Starline M66v2 Immobiliser system. So at the moment the vehicle is armed up, as you can see from the app. So if I do not disarm the system with the tag, as you can see, the vehicle will not turn on. It will say engine start not possible, and the system will call you to let you know someone is trying to steal the vehicle.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on. The car's
So it lets you know someone's trying to steal the vehicle because they do not have the tag with them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disable the system with the tag. So I got the tag here, so I'm just going to disable it now. And now the system has been disabled, and I can turn it on as normal. And I can put it into gear. So the system comes with a full app with the tracking included, so you can track the vehicle, and you can also remote immobilize it, as well as put it into service mode, which turns the system off for garage use. So if you want this installed on your vehicle, see the link down below for more information. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.